Hi, Team One. A couple things I want to talk to you guys about. One is we really need all of you guys to be in here throughout the week discussing with one another. I know that there's two dates that are required that you guys get in here, but really the point of an online discussion board is that you guys are checking in regularly and discussing regularly. And so your participation in this, it needs to pick up a little bit. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, Team 5 is doing a really great job. Team 6 is doing a really good job. Team 4 is doing pretty good. So kind of looking at what those discussion teams are doing and looking at what your team is doing and kind of compare. The standard is sort of what teams 5 and 6 are really doing. All right, so let's take a look at that. Secondly, I want to talk to you guys about some of the ideas that you guys are posting in here. And one of the things that sort of a common theme throughout all of your posts here is that each of you sort of mentioned how sort of like impressionable young kids are, and that modeling and that environmental learning that takes place in early stages. Because I know that all three of you guys are aspiring teachers, I want you to think of ways in which you can both model good behavior, but also model behavior and reward behavior in ways that are attractive and appealing to all children. And we know this to be true too. As impressionable as young kids are, there's still a very big difference between children. So what is a reward for one student may not be necessarily all that much incentive for the other children. So think of ways that you guys might work in your classrooms or with this knowledge to kind of motivate the most students. So answer that. Good questions.